you. I am teaching you today about statistics in shortcut method or assume mean method. Shortcut method or assume mean method or shortcut method, assume mean method or deviation. These three are same formula, have same formula. Formula is mean here, mean x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi di divided by summation of fi. Here this a it is called assume mean, and di is equal to di here xi minus a, xi minus a. Now we apply this formula, and solve the question number 10. Question number 10 here, find the mean by shortcut method or assume mean method. Here given here class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and these are frequency 12, 16, 6, 7, 9, etc. Now how we solve this question? Solution this question, we can write the rewrite the table. We can rewrite the table below. We can rewrite the table below. Here it is shortcut method or deviation method or assume mean method. So you draw 5 columns here. You draw 5 columns here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You draw 5 columns for shortcut method or deviation method. You here it is class interval. Class interval, it is class mark frequency di is equal to xi minus a. Here it is xi, it is fi. In class interval, class mark frequency di is equal to xi minus a, and it is fi, fi di. It is di is equal to xi minus a, it is fi di, fi into di, fi into di. Now write all class intervals 0 to 10, you write here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 10 to 20, 30 to 20 to 30, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Okay, and frequencies are 12, 16. First frequency 12, it is 16, 6, 7, 9. Okay, class mark, that is mid value. 0 plus 10 by 2, it is 0 plus 10, 10 by 2, it is 5. 0, it is 5, 10, it is 15, 20, it is 25, 30, mid value, 30 to 40, it is 35, 40 to 50, it is 45. Okay, now di, you say let assume mean is equal to a is equal to say this, it is assume mean 25. Okay, assume mean here 25, there is a is equal to 25. Now di is equal to, it is xi minus a, 5 minus 25, 5 minus 25 is equal to minus 20. It is 15 minus 25 is equal to minus 10. It is 25 minus 20, 0, it is 10, it is 20. 35 minus 25, it is 10, 45 minus 25, it is 20. Now fi di, fi here 12 and di minus 20, 12 into minus 20, 12 minus 12 into minus 20 is equal to minus 1 minus sign, so it is minus 240. It is 16 into minus 10 is equal to minus 160. It is 0, 6 into 0, 6 into 0 is equal to 0, and it is 7 into 10, it is plus sign 70, and it is 9 into 20 is equal to 180. Oh, look here, it is 0, or here above the 0, here all are minus sign. You add these two separately, and below the 0 here 70 and 180, you add these two separately. Here minus 120 minus 160, you same sign plus 0 0 4 minus, and below 70 here 7, below 0 here 70 and 180, it is 0 5 to 250. Now you write minus 400 and 250, minus sign, so you subtract minus here 0 5 5 carry out 1 to 1. It is in front of big number a minus sign, so it is minus 150. Very carefully you subtract here, big number in front of big number minus sign, it is 400 more than 250, so it is in front of 400 and minus sign, so it is minus. Okay, don't forget this. Very carefully you subtract here. It is now you draw here total. This summation of fi is equal to 28 plus 6 33 28 6 34 41 50. It is 50, and summation of fi di is equal to, it is minus 150. Okay, it is minus 150. Now apply the formula here. Mean x bar is equal to formula a plus summation of fi di divided by summation of fi. Now put the value. A is equal to 25, here 25, so a is equal to 25, we write here 25 plus summation of fi here 150, summation of fi di is equal to minus 150, so we write here minus 150 divided by summation of fi here 50, write here 50. This 25 you write here, this 150 you write here, this 50 you write here, is equal to 250 minus this minus into plus minus this cancel, it is 3 minus 3 is equal to 22. Therefore mean is equal to 22. Answer. Okay.